Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clean the printhead on Epson Workforce Pro WF-C5790 model. So go to Settings menu, then Maintenance, and here we can see all of the service settings we can do on this printer. First we will print the nozzle check pattern to see if there is any problem with the printhead. As you see, there are missing lines here on the magenta, the other colors are okay. In that case, we have to click on the red X, and if we want to start the cleaning process, press Start. Now I will show you how to go directly into the cleaning menu. Again, go to Settings, Maintenance, and here we have Printhead cleaning. Press it and press Start. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes, and you will have a full working printer. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.